agenda of this particular day or for this particular webinar. So what is DevSecOps, and also the difference between DevOps and DevSecOps, and why DevSecOps matters, and also the evolution of DevSecOps, the salary of a DevSecOps engineer, and the integration between AI and DevSecOps, and what all the automation that you can just like bring, and also like you can bring this AI powered DevSecOps, and also like you will be having this what's next, the exact trends you have to like focus, and also the DevSecOps tool chain, and finally we will be closing this with the closing thoughts. So first of all, we have to know what is this DevSecOps actually, why you need this particular DevSecOps. The DevSecOps is a compound word, the three terminologies, so development, security, and operations. And what it is actually doing, it is actually integrating the security practices into the DevOps. So we are actually integrating the security practices into the existing DevOps process. So that is what like all your DevSecOps stands for. And also we will be integrating the security measures at the each and every stage of the software development life cycle. So that is from the initial design through the development, deployment, and the maintenance. And also this involves the secure coding, and from this beginning, and this automating the security testing. So this is a kind of a small definition regarding this DevSecOps here. And yeah, you can just like have a look here. So Dev plus security plus operations, DevSecOps. So you have to integrate the security across the software delivery life cycle, and you have to perform this, or we will be like performing this shift left approach. So we will be performing this shift left approach here, and also we will be having this automation, we will be implementing automation, we will be implementing continuous monitoring, and we will be implementing this policy enforcement as well. And why you need AI in DevSecOps? So we will be bringing the machine learning, we will be like bringing the machine learning and the automation to enhance the CI/CD pipeline of DevSecOps. So we have to like bring the AI, I mean the machine learning and the automation to enhance the to enhance this like CI/CD with the security first mindset. Okay, so that is why we are actually like having in this, or that is what like your AI we need in terms of this particular DevSecOps. Yeah, I'm moving to the next one. And what are all the importance of DevSecOps like you need? So these are all some of the importance here. Like you have to like perform enhanced security posture, and also the faster time to market, improved collaboration, and also the cost efficiency. So these are all the things we are having in terms of this importance of DevSecOps. And then these are all the key principles of DevSecOps we are having. So shift left security, automation, continuous monitoring, and also the compliance and the governance. So these are all the key principles that we are having in terms of this DevSecOps. Yeah. So whenever you are focusing on DevSecOps, so you have to consider these key principles to be available there without any changes or without any modifications. Yeah. So team, before going into the, or okay, let's say if you want to learn DevSecOps, you should definitely learn what is meant by this DevOps. So we are actually going to see the a small difference between the DevOps and DevSecOps, right? With the help of an diagram. Okay. So if you see on the left side, of this, you are actually having this DevOps, where you are integrating with development, IT operations, and application delivery. But on the right side, you are having this four sections here. So development, IT operations, security, and application delivery. You are actually bringing security as the additional topic here. Okay, you are just like actually bringing security as the additional topic here. So this is what you are this is what you are calling it as DevSecOps. Okay, so this is what like you are calling, or you are having it as DevSecOps in this particular section. Okay, this is just like the difference between your DevOps and DevSecOps. So why you need, or why you have to learn DevSecOps in 2025? So why you should learn, or what is the need of this particular one, right? So the need of this particular stuff is that, okay, the need of this particular stuff is that we are in the cloud native section or cloud native area. We are actually like moving to this multi-cloud, and also in terms of the hybrid complexity. And then also like we are having this security breaches are more sophisticated, and then like you are having this compliance requirements tightening, because like you will be getting that in the compliance requirements tightening, right? And also you are having this AML, you are having this AML into the picture, so you will be getting a lot of new threat vectors. And then like your developer first security is the new normal. So like developer security, okay, so developer security security is the new normal here. Okay, so developer like security is the first security. So you have to secure everything at the everything from the developer level itself. Okay, so this is what actually like we are having, or this is what actually we are having, or this is why the DevSecOps matters in 2025. And the DevSecOps, learning DevSecOps will give the will give us the power, or will give the knowledge, right, to execute, or to give the solutions to all these problems. So now I'm just like moving to the evolution of DevSecOps. So initially we had this traditional, and then like we are traditional, it is security at the end of SDLC. And then like you are having this DevOps era. We have done this faster releases, but the security lagged. And in 2020 to 24, we implemented shift left automation and zero trust. And in 2025, we are having this AI driven security, compliance as a code, and the secure AI pipelines. So these are all the things we are actually having this. Okay, so security driven. So in order to implement, or in order to cope up with this, you have to perform this particular stuff. Okay, and yes, we all are actually like working for the salary. And we just wanted to like have a what is the like the salary of the DevSecOps engineer, from the entry level to the senior level, and also based on your negotiation skills. And this is the salary structure for 2024. So please have a look on this. So this is the current, I mean the previous salary, and now we are having this like projected. Okay, so we are just like having this projected salary ranges. So if you just like see for the same role, so you are having this higher salary in 2025 because of the need in rise of your DevSecOps role. Okay, and then you are having this. This is one such a screenshot I took from the LinkedIn for this DevOps role. Like you are having this 19,000 role in your what is it, like the LinkedIn, or as the opening kind of thing in the LinkedIn. Okay, for I just like searched with the keyword DevOps the worldwide, and I applied the same thing for DevSecOps, but I got only 1,600, getting this high pay when comparing to the other thing. And also, even like if they hire you as a DevOps engineer, they will ask you with the DevSecOps knowledge as well. So this is one such thing I want to give. And why we need DevSecOps, why DevSecOps need AI. So this is the traditional DevSecOps pain points. So we had this manual security reviews, and also like we had this human error, and also we are having this limited visibility in cloud native environments. But but we got this AI to the rescue. So we will be having this so you will be having this thread detection with anomaly detection, and also you are having this intelligent dependency management, and you can automate the security compliance. So team, not beyond this, but you will be having lot of additional things as well. Okay, so you will be having lot of additional things as well inside this particular one. Okay, so this is what actually like we are having, or this is why we are going for this AI. So it will actually like perform all the things. It will actually like have like all the things, like it will support the AI, will support in terms of this all this particular stuff. Okay, so that is what I just wanted to like showcase this team. Okay team, so we will be discussing about the AI and automation use cases. So first one, like the code scanning is the area like where you are having this DevSecOps. So here you can, this AI can suggest the fixes for the vulnerabilities. So that particular thing that like you can implement in terms of AI. And for the infrastructure as a code, in order to like write the infrastructure as a code, so you will be having this AI flags misconfigurations, like you will be like implementing this AI flags misconfigurations, or AI will help you to find out the misconfigurations there. Then in terms of container security, the AI models will predict your container drift or runtime anomalies. Then you are having this zero trust policies. Okay, so the this zero trust policies, and also like what it will do, this AI will help you to like enforce the policies. Okay, so the AI will help you to enforce this particular policies here. And then in terms of monitoring and logging, so what this will actually, this particular monitoring and logging, this NLP models, so like it will summarize the logs automatically, and then it will detect the issues. Okay, so and then it will detect, it will actually like detect the issues to perform that particular activity. Okay, so that is the stuff like we are having here. Then you are having this incident response, so you will be having this you are just like having this incident response here. Okay, so what this particular incident response will do, so it will actually like automate, it will perform the automated decision trees, and also this chatbot will work as a L1 responders, because this incident response will come under the SRE related activity. So this incident response will come under the SRE related activity here. Okay, so in terms of like SRE related activity, your the AI will, chatbots will work as your L1 responders. The chatbot will work as your L1 responders here. Okay, so that is what we are having in terms of AI automation, AI and the, I mean AI and the automation use case we are having. So I'm just like moving to the next one. What are all the different patterns and predictions we are having? So what are all the different patterns and the predictions we are just like having here? So I will just like enter into that little bit. So first thing is shift left approach. So shift left 2.0. So what it is doing, it is actually performing the AI in code and build time. So like instead of waiting for the code reviews from someone, like your AI tool will help you to perform the code reviews automatically. And then second one is auto generation of the secure code, so it will actually perform the secure code snippets as well. Then it will take this semantic code analysis tool, so to check the business logic vulnerability. So this is actually the first thing in terms of your AI automation and the trend. Next one is AI powered threat modeling. So team, the the traditional threat modeling is manual and also infrequent. So we are implementing the AI powered threat modeling, the tools like threat mapper, iris risk. So these kind of things will help you to suggest the threat surfaces, and also it will help you to perform this architectural level risks and all. And also, I mean, it will it will actually help you to integrate that in the CI/CD pipeline. So threat modeling we will do with the help of AI based on the source code. Then then we are entering into the third one here. So what is this third one we are having? So this is actually the secure software supply chain. So what is the secure software supply chain? Like, it's secure software supply chain is actually doing. So it will help you to perform this. It will take the software bill of materials, and also it will use AI to detect the fake packages. So these kind of things you can perform this with the secure software supply chain with AI. Okay, so then you are having this smart CI/CD pipeline orchestration. So what is the smart CI/CD pipeline orchestration here? So based on the source code, okay, so based on the source code itself, it will actually help you to perform this. So it will actually help you to perform this, what is it, like, based on the source code that you are giving, it will help you to like implement your what I would say, the pipeline automatically. So you don't need to worry on that, or you don't need to what is it, wait for that particular one. So it will be automatically generated or created. So these kind of smart CI/CD pipeline orchestration will come into the picture. Then we are having this adaptive authorization under the policy enforcement. So what is this adaptive authorization under the policy enforcement? You are having this RBAC policies to be implemented, and your AI will help you to implement that. For example, by mentioning this OPA and Rego policies and also the AI plugins. So this will actually help you to implement that. So this is what we are having in terms of your. Okay, so this is what actually we are having in terms of your adaptive authorization and policy enforcement. And then we are actually having the continuous feedback. So we will be having this continuous feedback here. Okay, so continuous feedback, like we will be like having this from dev, and it will go to the ops, and it will go to the security, then it will go to the AI bot, and then it will go to the dev once again. So from AI bot it will be like shared to the dev. So that is what we are having. Then we are having this AI augmented red and the blue teaming. So what is the purpose of this AI? I mean, AI augmented red and the blue teaming. Team, you might have like heard about this, the blue teaming and all. So it is all about your how like they are performing the hacking. I mean, there are different teams available, and you might be like knowing like how what the red teaming will do. So this AI related tools or this AI related stuffs will help you to will help you to like implement those kind of like things like the red teaming simulations your AI augmented will do. And also you will be like implementing this blue teams as well. So you will be like implementing the blue teams as well to using the AML thing. And also you will integrate your military attack in that same pipeline itself, or in the same environment itself. So that is what we are actually having as a part of these three things, AI augmented resume. So in a nutshell, we are implementing shift left. Let me rephrase everything. Meanwhile, if you are having any questions or queries, yeah, please do let me know, team. So one is shift left 2.0. Another one is AI powered threat modeling, like a little bit. Yeah. So the next one is AI powered modeling. Third one is secure software supply chain. And then you are having this adaptive authorization and policy enforcement. Yes. And then you are having this continuous feedback with AI. You are having this continuous feedback with AI. And finally, you are having this AI augmented red teaming and blue teaming. So team, these are all the most advanced AI things that you can implement by in terms of this DevSecOps area with the help of AI. So that is why I just like picked these particular topics here. Yeah. So then I'm just like entering into what are all the next trends. Okay, what is next? Like what are all the trends actually you have to watch in this particular is yes. So like you have to focus on the self-healing pipeline. So you have to like focus on the self-healing pipelines actually. And also you have to focus on this AI driven policy as a code, which means you have to use the AI tools to write the policy as a code here. Then we will be working on this XAI. Okay, we will be working on this XAI. So what is this XAI? Explainable AI. Then we will implement this federated learning across the teams. We will implement this federated learning across the teams. We will implement the agentic AI. We will implement the agentic AI as the mini SREs, the level 1 SRE team. So the level 1 SRE team will be your agentic AI. So this is how we are actually performing everything. Okay, so this is how we everything, or these are all the trends that you have to like watch. And these are all some of the DevSecOps tool chain that you can look, open source tool chains that you can explore for the year 2025, the most widely used tools, and at the same time the open source tools. Okay, team. Yes, I'm moving to the next one. So there is a website called digital.ai. Okay, there is a website called digital.ai, and in that particular digital.ai website, they have actually introduced this stuff called DevSecOps periodic table. Okay, so DevSecOps periodic table, they are just like having. So you can implement this particular DevSecOps periodic table inside this particular one. Okay, so you can go, you can just like browse for DevSecOps periodic table, and and you will be like getting, okay, and you will be just like getting this particular stuff, or the area, or the dev set of like DevSecOps periodic table tools, or the tools that you can explore and check in your or you can implement in your day-to-day pipeline. Okay, so that is what actually like we are having as the step. So if time permits, team, please explore this particular DevSecOps periodic table. And team, these are all the real world trends that we are talking about. We are using this Microsoft Defender for DevOps under security, and also like we are having this GitHub Advanced Security with the Copilot, and then we are having this Sneak, SIMDrop, and OWASP Zap automation, and also like you are having this AI enabled SIMs. So these are all the tools, team, available in the market in terms of AI implementation. And for infra and pipeline, you are having this Argo CD, Kubebench, and AI linting tools. And then for this check, you are having this GitHub Actions plus ML models. And then under the analytics, you are having this AI in cost cloud automation plus the FinOps security budgeting. So we will be touching upon all these things in our, I mean, most of the things in the actual session as well.